Hello friends, welcome to Salad and Food. Today I am going to make Gajar Matar ki Sabji. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. Add oil to the pan. Let it heat for a while. Now add sliced ginger. Add sliced green chilies. Saute for a while. Now add diced carrots. Cook it for a while. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Now add green peas. Mix well. Add water and cook it with the lid on. Stir occasionally. Now it's cooked. Now add roasted cumin seed powder, chaat masala. Mix well. Gajar Matar ki sabji is ready. Eat and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you. See you in the next recipe.